Have you ever been working with a client or maybe a coworker and they said something at some point, somewhere in one of your way too many communication platforms, and for some reason you need to find it? Was it in an email, a chat, or Trello? Maybe it was Basecamp? Yeah. Welcome back to Tech Riffs. My name is Killian, and look, we get it. The struggle to find a perfect collaboration tool is real. There are so many options, and all with a different set of promises. So today, we wanted to take a quick look at Microsoft Teams, a relatively new collaboration tool included in Office 365, and ultimately, a replacement for Skype for Business. So here we go. Let's talk about the top 3 benefits that got us to make the switch. Benefit number 1, communication simplified. At its core, the primary function of Teams is chat. No more searching your email for chat history because Teams keeps it all in one place. You can easily attach and send documents, pictures, meeting invites, and more. Add someone to a chat, rename it, and come back to it later with updates as needed. And if chat isn't cutting it, click here in the upper right-hand corner to switch to a phone call, a video call, or even to share your screen. Benefit number 2, one spot for collaboration. We've heard it before, but it's a real thing with Teams. Everything you need truly is in one place. Full integration with Office 365 allows you to share, comment, and collaborate on documents, as well as store them in your channels. Keep coworkers up to date by commenting on a channel, attach your document, and ask for feedback. One of our favorite features is GIFs. Share reactions to posts with a huge library of GIFs, or upload a picture and create your own meme. Bring the fun back into chat, and never underestimate the power of a good laugh. Benefit number 3, integration. Microsoft Teams also has a growing list of applications that you can embed right into your channel. For example, we've integrated our Dropbox. You also have apps for polls, meetings, and tons of productivity apps. If you prefer to use Evernote to keep track of what's going on in your mind, you can search and share your notes without ever leaving Teams. In the confusing landscape of apps, tools, and one-hit wonders, it looks like Microsoft Teams is going to be a winner, bringing clarity, increased collaboration, and keeping your team working hard and together. And that's it for today's Tech Riff. Make sure to connect with us on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. And we love hearing from you. So use that comment section to let us know what you'd like us to riff on next. Until next time, I'm Killian Smith. Take it easy.